One of the first things, if not the first thing, I cooked for my daughters was steamed egg custard. It's so easy to make, the texture is silky smooth when done right, and as they age, you could start introducing different ingredients to go with the custard. So, today I want to show you two versions. One plain, one with salmon belly. But you could add some mushrooms, you could add some minced meat, endless opportunities. First things first, we crack the eggs. Break and we whisk. And this is something my mother used to make for me as well. The word steaming is sometimes discouraging in Western kitchens because most people don't have a steamer. Today I'll do two versions, one in my steamer, one just in a pot, and they'll come out equally good. Now, once this is thoroughly mixed, we're going to add some water. You can use homemade chicken stock if you have some, and for toddler food I don't like to measure. I normally go eyeball, 1-to-1 ratio. Perfect. Mix, 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 mix. Now, two versions. Plain, salmon. Now the key to the silky smooth texture is that you have to pass this through a sieve. Now the finer the sieve, the longer it takes, but the better the texture. So you decide for yourself what trade-off you want to get. Very simple, we simply add the mixture. By the way, these miso soup bowls are incredible for kids because they never break and they don't look stupid. I mean, the whole family could use them together so the kids don't FOMO. The problem with those silicone things is they look silly. I don't blame the kids for not wanting them. Now, once this is all done, again, to give it a silky texture, you need to wrap them in cling film, just to protect the surface. Otherwise, the top would cook so much faster than the rest from direct steam. Now, for those of you without a steamer at home, here we have some boiling water in the pot. What you want to do is you grab some tin foil. And you're almost making a nice donut. Just like that. Make sure it's relatively even, so this thing could sit on top in a flat manner. Once this boils, donut goes in. Straight on top of the donut, right in the middle of the pot. Lid on. You keep this boiling. We're not simmering the water or the egg. The water has to evaporate to create steam. The steam is what's going to cook the custard egg, not the water. Now, the plain one will go straight into the steamer. And they'll cook in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the custard eggs, they come out. Beautiful. Be very careful to not burn your hands on the side, so go straight in. Now you give it about a minute for it to set before you remove it. But in the meantime, you can carefully remove the donut. Now when you open it, be careful of the hot steam coming out. So a good way to do it is to poke a hole on top, let the steam escape before handling it. Beautiful. Be careful, this is still hot, yeah? So don't do what I'm doing, basically. As you can see, steamer, no steamer, absolutely no difference. So don't be scared to steam with your pots. And there you have it. Plain egg custard and egg custard with salmon. I really hope you enjoy.